Kumshi Bynta ban Pynshai Halor ka Rukom Siew Khajna bat ka jing menjur katnat IT ka Pynlong ya ka taxpayers hub Shillong kene ka program ka balai sngilenter lapli ne ka sngi da ka principal director general ka New Delhi ka Archana Chaudhary haba ai jing tren chakinong pathai khubor la ong bakum kene ka jai program na ju Pynlong khnang bakan long kum ka jing pen saplyang jing tip ya kinong Siew Khajna shapang ke income tax act ba bani kran Halor ka jing sngo ba ki don la ne ki jing e jongki Abakali shapang ka jingyo lum Khajna ka baduna tam na ki jila ka than shatay lami ngi kala ong bakane ka day na ka daw kum ka jinglait ban Siew ki Khajna bat ki ribiet ki bala terwa.
Puzzle games, board games.
Northeast has various provisions through which people have tax benefits, rebates. So, keeping that in view, our whole idea is to make people aware about taxation, and we feel that our outreach programs and our awareness programs will really help us in growing the taxation. When people are aware, when people know what is the benefit of taxation, then it will have an automatic impact on the tax growth of that particular region.
Kahar gori pagala mela ka badai